Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make an ATM machine with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 1x2 brick with 2 studs. In this area, a 1x2 by 2/3 slope. Then I want to slide in another 1x2 brick with 2 studs, where the studs are facing away from one another. Then, right behind the slope, a 1x2 rocker bearing. Then I'm going to place a 2x2 rocker bearing plate right inside. I want this to swing down right on top of the 1x2 slope. On the left hand side on this stud, a roller skate. I'm going to use this as a little thing that when the cash comes out it has a place to stop. And along the right hand side, a 1x2 plate. On top of the roller skate, a 1x1 flat tile with some buttons. And on the right hand side, a 1x1 flat tile with a keypad. Slide that out of the way. Let's take a 2x6 flat tile, flip this over. I want to place this assembly right here. For the screen mount, start with a 2x2 by 2/3 plate with 2 studs right in the back portion. A 1x2 plate, and perpendicular, a 1x2 modified plate with stick, place that right there, and a set of 1x1 bricks with 1 stud. Now I want the studs to face outwards on both sides, and we're going to lock that together with a 1x2 flat tile. Take a computer monitor with a snap on the back. We're going to place this right in the middle of our 1x2 plate with stick. We're just going to hinge this up. Let's slide in our screen assembly right here, and I want the screen to fit right behind our buttons. Sometimes it may want to tilt, just straighten it back out. And I'm going to place a 2x6 flat tile to lock in this side for the ATM machine.